Damaged hair can manifest in several ways, including split ends, dullness, breakage, flyaways, and texture changes, often resulting from frequent heat, styling, and lack of moisture. To restore your hair's natural shine and health, consider trimming split ends, reducing heat use, and incorporating nourishing hair oils like argan or coconut oil to lock in hydration. Maintain moisture by conditioning your hair after shampooing, and be gentle when detangling with a wide-tooth comb and detangler spray. If you notice a change in texture, it may indicate damage, so focus on restorative treatments and allow your hair to grow without further stress from styling products or heat. Keep in mind that hair loss can also stem from damaged strands rather than genetics alone. By adopting healthier hair care habits, you can bring back your hair's softness and luxurious shine.